Thanks for ordering EZ Street Asphalt from Red Stag Materials. Today I'm going to carry out a permanent repair of a pothole using a shovel, hand tamper and brush, and just show you just how easy it is. Firstly, I'm going to sweep any loose rubble out the pothole to create a clean base for the asphalt to bond to original surface. So we're going to get all this loose rubble out the pothole. This will give the EZ Street a really good hard surface to bond to. Right. The next thing we want to do is cut open the bag of EZ Street and get 30mm to 50mm layers at a time compacted in there. Very important stage of the permanent repair is to break up the material into the hole in a nice even loose level. As you can see, the material is quite lively, moving about quite freely. It is -1 here today when we're carrying this repair, so very easy to work with. You want to get a really good coverage over the whole pothole. Right, this is the first level of material we have got in the pothole. It does look like it's at the correct road height. However, after compaction, this will drop down, so maybe a bit more material after this. So we're going to use a simple hand tamper. You can use compactor plate or a roller, but in this case, small repair this, hand tamper is all we're going to be required. So we want to give it a good compaction all over the pothole to bind the material together in the pothole. It almost binds and bonds to the pothole. I like to give a special bit of tension to around the edges, because this is where it's physically moulding to the edge of the pothole. Notice there's a change in the colour of the asphalt. This is where it's been compacted down. So that would say that would be good enough for the first layer of compaction, but what we want to do is we actually want to leave it fractionally proud of the road surface to allow for secondary traffic compaction. So I'm going to give it a quick sweep over the loose material after the first level of compaction, and then add a bit more recompaction then. One bag of EZ Street Asphalt for this pothole. So again, just want to break the material up in a nice even layer over the pothole, ready for second level of compaction. Always found a good bit of attention and detail. It is a permanent repair, so there's no point in trying to speed up the process. Just time, care and attention, and you have got a permanent repair. And time for compaction. I'm going to work around the edge of the pothole into the centre to provide a perfectly smooth surface to match in with the road height. Just going to give it a quick sweep around the edges, make sure there's no overlapping. I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this. One more layer of compaction, then we're going to let the traffic take care of the rest. You can almost hear a different sound coming off the hand tamper when fully compacted, so keep an eye out for that as well. And there you have it. I'm happy with that. Permanent repair using EZ Street Asphalt from Red Stag.